Hello and welcome yet again to another episode of our Learning British Accent Pronunciation class. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, link below. Now let's try to pronounce these words correctly. Now pay attention to the letters in red. They're quite important because the stress of the words are emphasized on these particular letters. Let's begin. Slave, slave. Space, space, spared, spared, stage, stage, state, state, taste, taste, wail, wail, behave, behave, flare, flare, glare, glare, trade, trade, grave, grave, parade, parade, relate, relate. Thank you for listening.